One of the most important things everyone needs to know is the difference between saving and investing. Getting the two confused can result in you losing a lot of money or missing opportunities to gain more money. Before we get started with this week's video, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Now, let's start with saving. Saving is simply the process of putting money aside. One example would be the old-fashioned putting money underneath your mattress. Another example would be putting your money into a savings account at your local bank. The reason why most people save their money is quite simple. It can allow you to feel a sense of security in your life. The set-aside money can be used for emergencies like getting fired from your job. Another big reason people save their money is for a big purchase, such as a vacation, wedding ring, car, or startup capital for a side hustle or business. Unlike saving, investing is a process that allows you to put your money to work. The most important factor with investing is the potential growth of your money while you are not working. This is known as passive income. Examples of investing would be starting side hustles such as an e-commerce store, buying or renting out rental property, buying and holding stocks, and cryptocurrency. These are all side hustles / investments that can make you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in passive income, which I'm sure most of you could use in your life right about now. However, you should talk to a financial advisor before investing, for investing can be risky. For example, just because you invest money into an e-commerce store doesn't automatically mean it will be profitable. You will still need customers. The same goes with rental properties. You need someone renting out your property to earn money from it. However, always remember, no matter which investment / side hustle you are getting into, you should be focused on the long term. So, to sum it up, save to create an emergency fund so you have something to fall back onto in case of the unexpected or for that big purchase. Invest so that your money can grow and make you even more. With investing, the goal is for your money to grow at a rate that even with the highs and lows, you will still have more money than what would have been in your savings account. Now, before we go, please hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you are new. And drop a comment letting me know if and how you are investing your money.